Welcome to Explore World YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about the 5 largest birds in the world. 1. Ostrich Struthiocamelus. The largest and heaviest bird in the world. Cannot fly, but can run very fast up to 70 kilometers per hour. Lives in Africa. Can grow up to 2.8 meters tall and weigh up to 145 kilogram. Has very big eyes to see well. Lays the biggest egg in the world. Uses strong legs to kick and protect itself. Eats plants, seeds, and insects. Male ostriches are black and white, females are brown. Lives in open lands and savannas. 2. Emu Dromaeus novaehollandiae. The second largest bird after the ostrich. Found only in Australia. Cannot fly, but can run up to 50 kilometers per hour. Grows up to 1.9 meters tall and weighs about 60 kilogram. Has long legs and soft brown feathers. Eats plants, seeds, and small insects. Male emus take care of eggs and chicks. Makes deep booming sounds. Very important in Aboriginal culture. Lives in grasslands and forests.
3. Southern cassowary. A large, colorful bird found in Australia and New Guinea. Has a blue neck, red wattles, and a helmet-like casque on its head. Can be dangerous, has sharp claws. Flightless but can run fast and swim well. Eats fruits, fungi, and insects. Grows up to 1.8 meters tall and weighs about 58 kilogram. Very shy and solitary, likes to be alone. Male takes care of eggs and chicks. Helps spread seeds in the rainforest. Lives in dense tropical forests. 4. Lesser rhea pennata. Also called Darwin's rhea. Found in South America, especially Patagonia and Andes. Smaller than the greater rhea. Grows up to 1 meter tall, weighs about 25 kilogram. Cannot fly, but can run fast. Lives in cold, open land and grasslands. Eats plants and insects. Males build nests and raise chicks. Has gray and brown feathers. Can live in harsh mountain climates. Is a near-threatened species. 5. Emperor penguin Aptenodytes forsteri. The tallest and heaviest penguin. Lives in Antarctica. Grows up to 1.2 meters tall, weighs about 45 kilogram. Cannot fly, but swims very well. Can dive more than 500 meters deep. Eats fish, squid, and krill. Males keep the egg warm on their feet in the cold winter. Lives in large colonies for warmth. Has black back, white belly, and yellow-orange neck. Survives in extreme cold and icy conditions.